Hi, and welcome to the JNR Marine Weekly Report. The date is Sunday, July 19th, 2026. My name is Coby, and this is episode 19. Let's get into the weekly achievements and failures of the RC boat community. Welcome back to the studio, everybody. Welcome back. I appreciate everybody tuning back in. I appreciate everybody's support. I appreciate the constant good feedback on what we're doing with the channel, what we're doing with the episodes. Thank you for that. It means a lot and it keeps me going. So it gives me something to keep doing, right? With that said, boys, we are going to jump right in because this week we have a pretty awesome episode. We have a full list, almost a full list of achievements and some failures. But we have two videos that were actually sent in for consideration. So that's pretty awesome, guys. That's pretty cool. We already got videos being sent in for consideration. So we're going to jump right in, boys. So the first video we got is Build of the Week. Build of the Week was super awesome. First of all, it came from Instagram. And don't forget, guys, all the links to these videos are in the description to this video down below. So as always, go to those videos, mash those like buttons, give those guys a follow, and then come back here and tell me what you thought. Back to video of the week. Video of the week was pretty awesome. It reminded me of, if you guys have played Super Mario Bros. 3, you would know the ship at the end of Super Mario Bros. This is an RC ship, looks like a massive pirate ship with a bunch of drone pusher props lifting this thing up, and it's flying through the air. It's absolutely awesome. Super cool build. And that goes to RC Drone Ship. And that's on Instagram, guys. So again, the links to the videos down below. So video of the week. Pretty cool, guys. Pretty cool. Moving on, we have Crash of the Week. Crash of the Week is pretty awesome because it went all the way onto land and they had to actually search for it. And I'm sure a lot of you have already seen it, but RC Boat Bits with his F1 Crash gets Crash of the Week. So go again, mash those like buttons and come back here. And like I said, guys, we're going to churn and burn in this video because we don't want to make it too long, and we are just going to keep moving through the categories. Next up, we have Blowover of the Week. Blowover of the Week was actually super amazing because he landed it, and it was absolutely epic. Absolutely epic. I think he went half the distance of a football field. And Blowover of the Week goes to Overpowered RC Boats for a huge backflip with his catamaran Zonda. So Overpowered RC Boats, good thing you got that boat back. Hoping it's all in one solid condition. No major damage. Didn't look like it. Looked like it's going to keep coming and keep going and get to your goal eventually. So we're looking forward to seeing that, man. Thank you for putting that video out there. Thank you for pushing your equipment to the limit. That is awesome. Next up, speaking of pushing your equipment, we have Ovals of the Week. Ovals of the Week, as usual, besides that ovals hold a special place in my heart, as everybody knows, Ovals of the Week holds another special place in my heart because it is a C32 carbon fiber cat coming in with Ironclad's 84-mile-an-hour ovals. And guys, that is epic. That's absolutely epic. Now, some people say, what's the average speed, this and that? I'll tell you what. I'll throw that all out the window real quick, fast, and in a hurry. The way the GPS works is time, distance, etc., etc. When you come back and you're sitting there waiting for that GPS to catch Bluetooth again, it's still counting time. So when that boat is sitting there, however fast you were going, let's say 100 miles an hour, it's clicking down real fast. Click, 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 until that GPS catches, until you stop it and get that final read. So your average speed doesn't necessarily mean the average speed of what you're turning laps in. It's the overall average speed from when you start the GPS to when you end the GPS. But I digress. Ovals of the week, Ironclad RC with a C32. Moving along, guys, moving along. Video of the week. Video of the week was one of the videos that was sent to us for consideration. And video of the week goes to Aussie B RC, who we just interviewed the other day and hopefully gonna be making some awesome footage together. Video of the week, though, is an awesome cinematic shot of an RC crawler with one of those scale guys that move their heads, and he's looking at a boat running across the lake, the river, whatever it was right there. And it's just super beautiful, cinematic, epic. So Aussie B gets video of the week. Next up, guys, this category that everybody's been waiting for. Pass of the week. Pass of the week was sent to us for consideration, and you know what? I considered it, and I think it's worth it. So pass of the week comes in at 119 miles an hour with a single motor catamaran, mini Zonda, I believe, at, like I said, 119 miles an hour. Pass of the week is clean. The water's beautiful. The conditions were good. Everything lined up. Mark Gambetta put together a beautiful pass, a beautiful setup, and brought it back cleanly. So go check that video out, guys. Mark Gambetta is on YouTube. He's got a good amount of subscribers, building it up now. So Mark, keep posting your videos, keep posting that awesome content, and thank you for sending it in for consideration. Really appreciate that. And all the kind words about the cat, everything else. Thank you, guys. We went through a lot of categories: build of the week, crash of the week, blowover of the week, ovals of the week, video of the week, and pass of the week. So we're getting there. We're making the videos again. We're trying to get back into a rhythm, and we'll see how it goes, right? So thank you for tuning in. My name is Coby, and this is the J&R Marine Weekly Report.